Hi guys, I want to do a quick video about my latest grandfather's clock. This is my 10th clock in my collection. This clock was made in 1977 by the New England Clock Company. This model here is a Frederick Wingate model. It was made in Farmington, Connecticut, if I already said that. Now I named this clock Lord Frederick of Farmington because it's a Frederick Wingate model and it was made in Farmington, Connecticut. Now this clock, when I got it, it wasn't in working order. I paid $100 for it, but it's in real good shape. And I took it over to my brother's Chet's, and he worked his magic on it and got it working really good. It keeps good time, it's a nice piece, and I'm really pleased with it. Dexter, you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi, Dexter? You going to say hi to everybody? Hi, Dexter? Dexter. Pretty bird. He won't do nothing now because he's on camera, but if I had the camera pointed the other way, he'd be chatting up a storm. Won't you, Dexter? Yeah, you're going to say hi? When I talk, then he talks. You know, when all the attention's on him, he don't want to say nothing, but when I'm busy talking in the background, he'll get chirping and chattering up a storm. And this month here is Dexter's birthday, guys. I don't know the exact day, but he's born in December. Dexter's 19 years old this month, so if everyone wants to give Dexter a shout out and tell him happy birthday, I'll be sure and tell him. So guys, I just want to do a quick video of my clock, let you guys get a look at it. And me and Dexter want to tell everybody Merry Christmas and thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see ya. Hi guys, I want to do a quick video of my latest grandfather clock. This clock here I got about a month ago. Hello Dexter. Dexter wants to get in on this. I got this clock about a month ago. Fuck. Quit laughing at me, Dexter.